Hello friends, today we are going to write a simple C program on how to count the digits of a given number. Okay, this is the basic structure of a C file here. These are the headers and it is the main function here. Okay, let's start. In the main function, we first declare the variables. I am declaring integer n, which is input from keyboard, and then integer c, it is actually the count of the digits in the n. So initially I am assigning 0 for it. So after that, we have to display some message to the user and take input from them. For that I am writing printf function. Please input number. Okay, and then actually we have to take the input by scanf function. %d and ampersand can. Okay, because it is an integer, we have declared %d here and the variable name with ampersand as a second argument for scanf function. Okay, now we have taken the input, we have to do the code logic here. I am using while loop for this program. In this program I am taking the condition as n is not equal to 0. So what basically means this is, this loop iterates till the n value becomes 0. So in the loop I will do n is equal to n by 10 and c is equal to plus plus. Okay, let's understand this. For every loop that is iterated, n value is divided by 10. So basically its number, it is shrinked by one digit every time, and then every loop iterated, the C count will be incremented by 1 here. Okay, now it's time to display the number of digits. Number of digits in given number. Percentage C. Okay, and then lastly we have to return with an integer. Okay, I think we have completed the program. Let's check. Let's say I will input a 3-digit number. Okay, let's test it again. Let's input a 6-digit number. Okay, the code is working correctly. So this is how we write the program to count the digits in a given number. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay tuned for further videos.